Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in a 2014 C300 4MATIC. Came with navigation, but it didn't come with backup camera. That's where we put our backup camera. That's how we install the unit, and you can see how it fits on the sides with our brackets. Right now I'm on aftermarket nav. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. And also I can go back to factory command, and as you can see right now it's on factory navigation. All the features are same. The command knob works same as before. By touching the screen goes to aftermarket mode. We can go to media. Also we can use the command to change the menu on aftermarket mode too. When you want to have sound for aftermarket side, basically you have to go to factory mode, choose aux, and then go back to aftermarket side, and then you have the sound.
Hey Roman, you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are.
Can somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?
Justin, you didn't think it could get any better, huh?
Here we go. And same as my other videos, as you can see, it reads the information from the OBD, like speed of the car, kilometers, and also temperature. And we can go back to main menu. That's the dash. And apps are here for Google Maps and other apps. You can download Waze, and it reads the AC information too, the speed of the fan, the temperature, and the directions of the vent. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.